It is a complicated matter and it is important to understand what the petitioners got and what was the government's contention. Let's try and understand the Waqf petitioners, which were many political parties and other parties as well, what they got. Firstly, there was a key clause which stated that anybody who had practiced Islam for at least 5 years, that person can only create a waqf. A waqf is basically a gift given by a person. So that was an important clause that was brought in the Act. That has been stayed. Now, also, there are certain properties which are considered disputed and they are in front of a government officer investigation. So the court has said that there is no need to wait for a government report for that property to be treated as waqf. Also, stay on ownership changes in records by the government. This could be related to any of the disputes that are of what are considered as a waqf property. If there are disputes in that, no changes in the revenue records regarding the ownership can be made by the government, especially of the land which is disputed by waqf and is either owned by government or claimed by the government. Now, there is also about who are the members of the waqf. There is a capping that has been put on the non-Muslim members. But non-Muslim members have been allowed, at least 3 to 4 can come in, and very importantly, 4 non-Muslim members can be in the Central Council and 3 in the state boards are allowed in the Waqf Boards. Now, the court has said that as far as the CEO of the board is concerned, there should be a preference for a Muslim. But if a Muslim is not there or a right person is not there, then someone else can also be the CEO. So this is what the petitioners can be considered have managed to achieve. But now let's try and understand what the Supreme Court decided in the favor of the government as far as the Act is concerned. Firstly, ownership will be required to create a waqf. That means nobody can just give away any property to Waqf board as waqf. He has to establish the ownership.